You already know about OpenClaw. It is officially the most famous AI agent in the world right now. In fact, there is a funny reality in the tech community right now. You can barely even buy a Mac Mini M4 in most regions because developers are hoarding them just to run OpenClaw locally. You know its capabilities. You know how good it is. But what if I told you that the agent you already rely on is about to drop its most amazing update ever? An update that is going to make your entire automation setup at least 10 times more powerful than its current state. It all started with a single tweet from the founder, Peter Steinberger. He wrote, "The next version of OpenClaw is also an MCP server. I know, this is awkward." To understand why that tweet is breaking the internet, you need a 60-second history lesson. OpenClaw used to be called Claude-Bot. But Anthropic, the multi-billion-dollar company behind the Claude AI, hit them with a strict copyright claim and forced them to rebrand to OpenClaw. Keep that in mind. Some time ago, Anthropic created a genius piece of open source tech called MCP. Think of MCP as a universal USB plug for artificial intelligence. It lets your AI securely connect to your local files and external apps without you needing to write messy code. So why is Peter's tweet so awkward? Because OpenClaw just announced they are officially becoming an MCP server. This independent project, the exact same one Anthropic forced to rebrand, just used Anthropic's own MCP technology to build a messaging server that completely outclasses Anthropic's native tools. They literally beat Goliath at his own game. But drama aside, as a software engineer, let me explain exactly how this 10x's your workflow and saves you hundreds of hours of headaches. If you use automation tools like Make or Innate-N, you know that connecting them to the real world is an absolute nightmare. Want your workflow to post a video to Twitter or message a client on WhatsApp? Normally, you have to dig through complex API documentation, manage webhooks, and fight with authentication keys. And if you switch AI tools tomorrow, you have to build that connection all over again. OpenClaw already solves this natively. Because it is a smart agent, you just tell it in plain English, set up a connection to Twitter, and the agent dynamically configures the API keys for you. But with this new MCP update, OpenClaw goes from being a cool personal assistant to a god-tier infrastructure. It transforms into a shared universal gateway for your entire workspace. Let that sink in. You use OpenClaw to handle the messy logins for Twitter, Slack, and WhatsApp exactly one time. That is it. Now, because of MCP, any other tool you use, Make, Innate-N, Claude Desktop, or custom scripts, can point directly at OpenClaw. When your Innate-N workflow needs to message a client, it doesn't need its own separate WhatsApp API key anymore. It just sends a standard MCP signal to OpenClaw, and OpenClaw instantly fires off the message through the connection it already perfectly maintains. You never have to build a custom integration from scratch again. You never have to duplicate API keys across your workspace. You just route your entire automation stack through one single shared gateway. If this breakdown helped you cut through the hype and see where AI engineering is actually heading, hit that subscribe button and welcome to Everyday AI School.